And who don't pub today, you got to go to Darliston, Montego Bay, South Lamar. And you know, so the fare is so expensive, you better do it today.
Jamal family, Happy New Year. You know, I'm back in the hills of Left Hall in Beeston Spring here in Westmoreland. As you know, the community was devastated by Hurricane Melissa, and you know, we started the effort to help the community restore the people to get back their lives. You know, we have done some relief effort as much as we could. Gave some plywood, some zinc sheets wherever possible, and thanks again to the persons who stepped up to help. Gave some lanterns, some solar lanterns. By the way, this is a community in the background, right? You know, it's still crappy, for want of a better word. It's not definitely where we want it to be. It's gonna take a while. Trees need to grow back, lives need to get back in order. But anyway, I was saying to you that I'm back today. As you know, they lost everything, and that includes their documents, passport, identification, their birth certificates, and all of that. Today I'm back in the community, and the goal here is to help them to get back some of those documents that they would have lost. As you know, you can't do anything without any sort of identification. Your birth certificate, your passport, your driver's license, your national ID. Today we are helping them to get back their birth certificates and passport. I have some colleagues, JPs here, who are going to assist with the passport application process. Thanks again to the people at PICA for helping out us in that regard. We got a number of applications from them, and I get some help as well from the RGD. Thanks again to Ms. Clark and the people at the Mobay office. We were guided. They gave us some guided instructions in terms of how we should do this. So we're going to help people get back their birth certificates, get back their passports, and I must say a big thank you to one of my friends. Yesterday I went online, I made an appeal. I said, if we need people, we need some sponsors for them, right? So each birth certificate is 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and a friend of mine came forward and said he's gonna sponsor 50 applications, and I'm so grateful. You know yourself, my brother. Love and thanks. So today we're gonna be just mingling. They're gonna be doing the applications. I have also family members and friends who in different fields, in the medical field, Mandy and so on. They're gonna be testing blood pressure, blood sugar, those kind of things. Some counseling where necessary, where appropriate. We're gonna do all of that. Thanks again to Keisha. Thanks to family members who came on board to help. Really grateful. So blood pressure checks, blood sugar tests, checks, passport application, birth certificate applications we're going to be doing right now. In fact, they started it. I'm going to join them down there as they continue with this relief, with this outreach to help the community, restore. If you are inclined to help, I'm going to invite you to check the links in the description. My GoFundMe page is there. The foundation page is there, My-Island-Jamaica.com. My phone number on WhatsApp, 876-825-2237, is there as well. Reach out to me and see how you can partner to help to get people get back some semblance of order and dignity to their lives. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the pics and clips. Stay tuned. Just parked at the top of the hill, guys, and I'm walking back down to where the activity is taking place. As I said to you, we have some colleague JPs there. I have some persons in the medical field. I have all kind of persons there today, family members, friends who have come on board to help the community get back their lives. So I'm on my way there. By the way, do you recognize this plant? Do you remember it? What is it? What is this? Where are you from? What's going on? Should I say a pleasant surprise? Anyway, this is the hill. You can still see how devastated the community was because of the hurricane. It's still not back. They're thankful that leaves are growing now. Leaves are growing on the trees, but definitely not where back to where it was. It'll take some time. By the way, guys, if you need any pimento wood, check me. I'm not able to ship it, but trust me, if you can get here, there's a lot of pimento trees that were damaged. You know, a lot of good pimento wood to get your real jerk going.
Blood pressure, serve a ticket, birth certificate,
Andy,
identification card, free, no charge. Remember I'm telling you, and if you don't pub today, you got to go to Darliston, Montego Bay, Savlamore. And you know, so the fare is so expensive, you better do it today. Do it today. Don't stay till tomorrow, remember. You gotta cost you. You gotta cost you. And you know, we don't have no money.
Meanwhile, the passport and birth certificate applications are going the, you know, people are still playing the dominoes and eating, and that's a beautiful, encouraging atmosphere here, you know. Despite the disaster, people are really resilient. Resilience is the motivation. Eh?
24 hours in a challenge.
I forgot to mention, guys, that we have people, photographer here who's taking pictures. He's taking pictures on spot as well to help people with the passport application process. Mr. Grant. food as well, guys. It's a blessing, you know. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Having some clothes. We brought some clothes to distribute to the community as well. It's late, but there are still people coming, guys, coming to take pictures for the last time here as we prepare to leave. The sun is setting here, guys. I would say it's night now, you know, but we give thanks. You can see there some lights way in the distance. We're just about to leave, but it was a good day. We achieved a lot. We brought hope to the people. We were able to help them get their birth certificates and passport applications going. We are thankful. I want to thank everybody who helped to make this possible. Again, those who came on board, not just this time, but those who have been instrumental from the get-go. We started the relief efforts here in Beeston Spring. I want to thank you. If you are inclined, you are touched, you are moved to help to make a difference, remember, you can WhatsApp me at 876-825-2237, My-Island-Jamaica.com or the GoFundMe page, because the mission continues. There's still a lot to be done. As you can see, this is a temporary makeshift situation, but there are lots more people who need help, you know. So reach out to me and let's see how we can partner to make it happen for this community as they start to find their little abode when it gets cold and dark here in Beeston